Dear friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve an error which I got when I was working with the React Navigation library. First, let me run the project npm start and let me go to Android Studio. Let me click on sync project with the Gradle files. Let us go to build a terminal. Android build is going on. Yes, build is successful in 5 seconds. Now let us run the React Native application on Android emulator. Let us open Android emulator. Let me close the current one. Launching. Yes, launch succeeded. Building. Look at here, we got the error. Render error. Property stack does not exist. If we go to VS Code terminal, we know the error. Error, reference error, property stack does not exist. This error is located at in app file, in TechNursery, root component, JS engine, hermes. So we got that error 2 times. Okay, as per the VS Code terminal. Let us check app.js file. The file is already opened here. If we go here, we can see stack.navigator at line 54 and stack.navigator at line 56. So we got error from these 2 lines. The reference error, property stack does not exist. So I will tell you how to fix this error. In order to fix this error, what I want to do is first we have to install this package. Let us go to terminal. Let us close the terminal, clear it, and paste the command npm install at React Navigation /native-stack. It is installing. Let us wait. Yes, it is completed. Now what we want to do is we have to import what we want to do, import createNativeStackNavigator. We have to import createNativeStackNavigator from React Navigation /native-stack, which the one which we already installed. This React-Navigation native stack. Okay, so we got this create native stack navigator from React Navigation native stack. Now we need stack. It's a const variable. So let us copy this one and let us paste it here. Okay, so using this create native stack navigator, we will get the stack from this method by calling this method. So this stack we got. So right now when we run the file, let us clear and let us npm start. Let us go to Android Studio, sync project with the Gradle files. Just go to build terminal. Build is going on. Yes, build is successful. Now let us run it on the emulator. First let me clear the emulator. Let me run it. Just wait. Launch succeeded.